In this video, I am going to subtract a rational expression from another. So from this rational expression, 8 over 3x squared, I am going to subtract 1 over 4x cubed. Remember that subtracting rational expressions or adding rational expressions is like adding two fractions or subtracting two fractions. So I'm going to just do a side example here on the side. Little example quickly. 3 over 4 minus 1 over 6, let's say. Now, in order to subtract 1 over 6 from 3 over 4, I have to make sure that the denominators are the same. Now, denominators are 4 and 6. The LCD of these two numbers is, by the way, 12. Okay, because 4 goes into 12 and 6 goes into 12. And that's the smallest number that is divisible by both 4 and 6. Smallest positive number, I meant. So now let's go ahead and make sure that we have the same thing. So what I need to do here is this. I need to get 12 here in the denominator. I can do so if I multiply by 3 and divide by 3, and similarly here, multiply by 2, divide by 2. Now I have 3 times 3, which is 9, over 4 times 3, 12, minus 2 times 1, which is 2, over 6 times 2, which is 12. Now I am comparing apples to apples. It's going to be 9 minus 2 over 12, which is, by the way, 7 over 12. In exactly the same way, I'm going to subtract this rational expression from this one. In my case, I have in the denominator 3x squared and 4x cubed. I need to find the LCD of these two numbers. 3 and 4, the LCD is 12. X squared and x cubed, LCD is x cubed, because x cubed goes into x cubed and x squared goes into x cubed too, because look, x cubed divided by x squared is x squared times x over x squared. Remember, x cubed is x squared times x. Now this x squared and x squared is going to cancel out. That's going to give you x. And then x cubed divided by x cubed is 1, as you know. So both x squared and x cubed goes into x cubed. So my LCD is 12x cubed. However, I do not have 12x cubed here in the denominator, neither do I have it here. I have to multiply by the appropriate factors in order to get 12x cubed. So you can see I have to multiply these by 4x and divide it by 4x. So 3 times 4 is 12, x squared times x is x cubed. Now similarly, I have to multiply these by 3 and divide it by 3. Now I have 12x cubed in the denominator for both of these rational expressions. So in the numerator, 8 times 4 is 32, then times x is 32x, divided by 12x cubed, minus 3 times 1 is 3, over 4 times 3 is 12, and then x cubed. Now I have the same denominator, so I could combine these terms. So it's going to be 32x minus 3 over 12x cubed. And that's, by the way, your answer, because you cannot simplify any further. So if you subtract this 1 over 4x cubed from 8 over 3x squared, you will get this number, 32x minus 3 divided by 12x cubed. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.